Why do commerce students learn numerical inequalities as a subtopic in applied mathematics? To analyze profits, costs, investments, and business risks using mathematical reasoning. This topic builds analytical and decision making skills that are essential for careers in finance, marketing, economics, and business management. Let us discuss some practical applications of numerical inequalities. First, in economics, numerical inequalities help economists compare costs, profits, risks, and market trends to make better financial decisions and optimize resources efficiently. For commerce students pursuing higher studies, inequalities form the mathematical foundation of business analytics, investment planning, economic forecasting, and data driven decision making. Next, in business mathematics and operations research, numerical inequalities are game changer in business because they allow companies to mathematically map out real world limitations like strict budget ceilings, minimum production targets, and resource constraints to safeguard profitability. By defining those precise boundaries, businesses can run operations research models to eliminate guesswork and pinpoint the exact strategy that maximizes profit while safely operating within their practical limits. In statistics and data science, numerical inequalities are foundational tools used to set boundaries, clean data, and optimize models in statistics and data science. In class 12, inequalities are used to find shaded regions on a graph for linear programming. In data science, those exact same shaded regions represent the safe zones or target zones where business algorithms learn to make accurate, risk free predictions. In statistics, the topic is very beneficial in hypothesis testing and in finding confidence intervals and in setting probability constraints in order to confirm the operational costs will spike drastically beyond the average budget limit or not. Next, in job scenarios, linear inequalities, numerical inequalities are the foundation of automated banking systems that decide who gets a loan and how a bank protects its cash reserves. Banks use machine learning algorithms built on inequalities to approve loans instantly. The inequality, current stock price less than or equal to purchase price into zero point 0.9, as a key principle for an automated stop loss safety net, which is very beneficial for traders. This principle commands the computers to instantly sell the asset the millisecond it drops by 10%, cutting losses completely before a market dip turns into a financial disaster. Investment analysts use systems of numerical inequalities to calculate the ideal asset mix. Tech stocks less than or equal to 30%, government bonds greater than or equal to 20%, and gold greater than or equal to 10%, which enables them to mathematically maximize the client's return while operating safely within their preferred risk profile. So, in stock markets and investment firms, numerical inequalities are the mathematical guardrails that prevent catastrophic losses while paving the fastest path to profit. In supply and chain logistics, analysts use inequalities to establish the perfect automated recorder threshold. Current stock level less than or equal to daily lead demand into supplier delivery days plus second term plus safety stock, which triggers an automatic manufacturing order the exact moment stock drops below the line, maintaining an uninterrupted flow of goods at the lowest possible cost. Next, for a marketing analyst, numerical inequalities help a marketing analyst to compare sales profits and customer trends to make smart business decisions. The topic also helps commerce students to analyze data, predict market performance, and create effective marketing strategies. Next, role of the topic numerical inequalities in competitive exams. A strong understanding of numerical inequalities sharpens logical thinking, data interpretation, and problem solving speed, which are very essential for cracking competitive exams. It helps commerce students to solve aptitude, reasoning, and analytical questions accurately and confidently, like CAT, CUET, banking, and management entrance tests.